Welcome back to the channel. Today we explore the futuristic 2026 Toyota Mercedes-Benz Vision 12/12 motorhome, a massive luxury machine designed to redefine road travel. From the outside, this motorhome looks like a rolling concept masterpiece with a sleek aerodynamic body, panoramic glass panels, aggressive LED lighting, and a towering 12x12 wheel setup that instantly commands attention. Step inside and you're welcomed by a private apartment on wheels featuring a full lounge area, smart ambient lighting, premium leather seating, a modern kitchen, and a luxury bedroom suite with digital skylight ceilings. Performance is just as impressive, powered by a hybrid turbo diesel system delivering smooth torque, silent cruising capability, and advanced all-terrain drive for confident long-distance adventures. On the road, the Vision 12/12 feels stable, ultra-quiet, and surprisingly easy to handle thanks to intelligent steering and camera systems. Overall, this motorhome blends extreme luxury, bold engineering, and future tech into one unforgettable travel experience.